Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2017 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some excellent fuel efficiency as well. Coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and it was recently detailed, so it is pretty clean, but let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back seat, where you have very spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle you have fold-out cup holders and a 12-volt power outlet. Now this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat and front passenger seat. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 50,370 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left hand side you have your cruise controls and then your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through information such as your digital speedometer, engine info, my key status, distance to empty, transmission temperature, tire pressures. You can also go into your trip and fuel, so your trip 1 and 2 stats, and then your fuel economy, compass, and auto start stop status. Also have your towing status, off-road status, and then settings for some features around your vehicle and your screen setup in general. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors that will alert you if you're about to hit anything, so hopefully you can avoid that, with dynamic hitch view, so you can hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. But then above that you have your hill descent assist, traction control shut off, hazards, and your auto start stop shut off. So when your vehicle is sitting idle, the engine will shut off to cut down on emissions and save you some fuel. But then moving down from your screen, you've got your physical media controls and your climate controls here with heated front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, pro trailer backup assist, and trailer brake controller right at the very bottom. And on the right you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. Then down here you have 2 USBs, 12-volt, another 12-volt I should say, and a compartment so you can throw some stuff in there while it's charging or whatever you want. Moving on to your column shifter real quick, you do also have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul and sport mode selector on the end of the stalk there. But then moving on to your center console area, we have 2 cup holders, cubby, center compartment / armrest, which is relatively spacious as you can see. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall. So plenty of seating in this truck. But then there is yet another compartment underneath that with some flip out cup holders like so, and plenty of space for all of your stuff, so you can have some drinks while this seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wacky. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.